In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subscriptions to your Wix site. Whether you're running a membership-based service or offering exclusive content, utilizing subscriptions can be a powerful way to engage with your audience and generate consistent revenue. So, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic will happen. Once you're in the editor, look around for the option to add apps. It's usually on the left-hand side of your dashboard. By clicking on it, you'll open up a whole library of tools that Wix offers to enhance your site. In the search bar that appears, type in Wix Pricing Plans. This feature is essential for setting up subscriptions, as it allows you to create and manage different pricing tiers tailored to your service. After typing it in, select Wix Pricing Plans from the list of results. When you click on it, you'll see an Add to Site button. Go ahead and click that, allowing the feature to integrate seamlessly into your site. Now you're ready to dive into the details. Click on Manage Plans. This is where you can create, customize, and manage your subscription options. To start, click on Create Plan. A new screen will appear, prompting you to name your plan. Be sure to choose a name that clearly communicates the features or level of access your plan offers. Next, it's time to focus on the benefits that your subscription will offer. Clearly outline what subscribers will receive and highlight the value they are getting for their investment. This could be anything from exclusive content, access to webinars, or discounts on other services. After establishing the benefits, shift your attention to pricing options. Consider different tiers that can cater to various segments of your audience, such as basic, premium, or VIP levels. Each tier should offer added value that justifies its kit. Once the pricing is planned out, you can proceed to configure the settings. This is an important step because some options include how renewals are handled or setting limitations on subscriptions. Make it as comprehensive as possible to meet the needs of both your business and your audience. Immediately after that, you'll have to set up recurring payments. This ensures that subscribers are automatically billed at the specified interval, reducing the administrative load on yourself and providing a seamless experience for them. Finally, determine the length of the plan. You may opt for monthly, quarterly, or annual plans, giving your subscribers flexibility in how they engage with your offerings. Once all these aspects are meticulously set up, be sure to hit Save to lock in all your configurations. And there you have it, a streamlined, efficient way to set up subscriptions on your Wix site. By following these steps, you've not only added a valuable revenue stream, but also brought added value to your subscribers. Thanks for watching and happy Wixing.